In this example, we are going to round each of these numbers to 2 decimal places. So if I go ahead and do that, I'm basically wanting 2 decimal places at the end of all of these answers. So some people like to draw a line to signify how many decimal places you're going to have. And when you look at the number after the line, if that number is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, you're rounding that number down. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we're rounding it up. We have to be cautious about our notation as well. So instead of putting an equal sign, we're going to put an approximately equal sign to there because we are actually doing some rounding. So the whole number will pretty much remain here. But once we start going into the decimal, we can do some rounding. So this is going to be 1, and because there's a 9 behind the line, the 7 rounds up to an 8. Okay, for the next one, if we look at this, it's going to be 0.0, and that 4 after the line would tell us that we're rounding down. So that is going to be 0.04. And lastly, this one here is going to be 4.89, and if we have a look after the 9, we have a 7. So that 7 says that we need to round up. So if we round the 9 up, it would go to 10, which would then also affect the number to the left as well. So it would affect the tens column too. So it would be 4.90, rounding to 2 decimal places.